Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am Agnesh Nikhil, and today I'm starting a series where I'm going to teach you Python from ground up. Even if you've never coded before, by the end of this series, you'll be able to create your own projects, even if you've never ever coded before. So, let's get started. So, to get started, first we have to download an app called Visual Studio Code or VS Code in short. So just go into the website of Visual Studio Code and download for Windows. If you're using Mac, you can download for Mac or any other thing. So for me, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows. Once you have opened Visual Studio Code, this is the homepage you will see. The first thing you want to do is head to Extensions, click it, and then search up Python. This is really important for you to run your codes. So you have to download Python. I have it downloaded already, so please do so for yourselves. So now, the first thing you want to do is make a new Python file. To do that, go to File, go to New Text File, and now you have a new text file right here where you can write anything. But this is not a Python file. So to make this a Python file, go to File again, Save As, and now you can save it in your computer. So I have it saved in programming with Python. I'm going to have it saved as hello world.py. This is really important because my file name is hello world and .py tells my computer that I am running a Python file. So let me just save it and you should do the same too. Once I have it saved, there we go. It has changed to a Python file. Now I can write Python code with it. Great. So now you're ready to code. In the next video, you'll learn how your first line of code and you can actually run it. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.